Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Cybrosys. Today in this video, let's talk about the event stages in the events module of Odoo 17. This is the events module, I'm opening it and straight away go to configuration where you can find the event stages. Click on that. There comes the different stages which you can see while you create an event. So here you have stages like new, booked, announced, ended as well as cancelled. Okay, so this can be found inside the event. So if you're going to create a new event, means there comes the different, stages like the new, booked, announced, ended as well as cancelled. So let's create a new one and see how it looks like inside the events. So to create a new one, what you have to do is click on the new and here give the name. So I'm giving the name as promoting. Okay, and you have to mark it as the end stage. That is not compulsory to mark it as an end stage. If it is the end stage of the event, then what you have to do? You have to mark it as the end stage. So once the event reaches that stage, which means that's the end of the event. Okay. So here comes the folded in Kanban. So if you want this, stage to be folded in Kanban, what you have to do? You have to check this. Okay. So I'll show you how an event which is folded in Kanban looks like. And this is the sequence. Okay, so here the stage description and tool tips are given. So you can define your labels that will be displayed for the stage instead of the default labels in the Kanban view. So you can, specify the label. So it is like in progress, blocked and ready for next stage. So if you don't want this to be appeared like this, then you can change it. Okay, so this is the blocked one, this is the in progress one, and this is the ready for next stage. So I'll just keep it as ready. I don't want this next stage. Okay, then you can also add a description to help your co-workers understand the meaning and purpose of the different stages. So for each stages, description can also be added. So this is a stage to let you guys know that the event is currently being promoted or currently under promotion. Okay, so this is how I've given the description. Okay, so that's done. Now let's do one thing. Let's save it. This is not the end stage, guys. Now this is also not folded in Kanban. Okay, now I'm going to the events. You can see the different, stages over here. Okay, so these stages such as announced, ended, cancelled and all. Here comes the promoting stage. Okay, so any event, if you open the event also, you can see this promoting, that is the stage which we have created. Now you can simply drag and drop it to the new stage. Okay, so just by clicking on the stage which you have created, you can see the description which we have given. So this is a stage to let you guys know that the event is currently under promotion. So that's the description which I have given. So you can add events under the stage directly from the, Kanban view. Okay, so let's see how it looks like when it's folded in Kanban. So from here, you can actually edit it. Okay, so some automations can be done and also you can fold it from here. So I'm editing it and I'm checking this fold in Kanban, saving and closing it. Okay, so I'm just refreshing the page. Okay, now you can see the promoting stage is actually folded in Kanban. Okay, you can simply click on it to expand it. So this is how the stage works. Okay, now let's see how it looks like when this is the last stage. Okay, so I'm marking it as the end stage, saving and closing it. Okay, now let's refresh it. So this is currently, folded as well as this is the end stage. So you can see it's in promoting stage. So if you go to the event stages over here, promoting can be clicked and this will be the end stage of a particular event. Okay, so you can see events will be automatically moved into the stage when they are finished. So once you create create an event and it's finished, it will be automatically moved to this stage. So I'm just closing it. Okay, so this is how you can basically create an event stage and now you can manage event stages in the events module. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.